Welcome back to A Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Today I'm going to be making a very simple menu. It's going to be a baba ganoush California style. So I will get to that right after this. So let's get started with my baba ganoush California style. And the reason why it's California, it's a Mediterranean dip. However, I put a little extra ingredients to make it, al fresco sort of California. And the reason why I use not rough chop, but beyond rough chop, cilantro. I add tomato. I add onion. And that's about an onion and a half. And one of the secret ingredients, or really what belongs in baba ganoush, this is tahini. Tahini is just sesame seeds. So it's like a peanut butter. So it helps thicken it up and gives it this really nice Mediterranean taste. And then of course my minced garlic and a little bit of olive oil. So let me start by telling you how I prep the eggplant. I forgot, it's eggplant. So what I do is I brush them with olive oil, sprinkle them front and back with salt and pepper. If you like other seasonings, you probably, you can do it, but I don't, because I want the taste of the eggplant, because the eggplant has a very, like a pungent taste. So it tastes better just by itself, just a little bit of salt and pepper. So you put them in the oven for about 45 minutes, and this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. And what you do, you simply just remove the outside skin. You use a little paring knife, and you just simply, let me just show you here, you cut them out, and this is the product. And then we're gonna chop that up, or not a rough chop, I would say chop, like little squares. So it looks like this. And for the ends, because it's difficult to use a knife, I use a spork. This is a little metal spork, and it has a little teeth at the end. And what you do is you scoop it out, and it might be a little, well no, this is very good. So you scoop it out so you don't waste the ends, or you can have someone in the house eat it, suck all the meat out of it. But it looks like that. And pretty much this is very nicely cooked, 45 minutes in a cookie tray. And that's about it for the eggplant. This is what it looks like. So they're little chunks. And I'm going to put those, I'm going to blend them or put them in the processor along with my other ingredients. Although I put the cilantro last, because you want body and consistency. So it has like a nice little taste. That's the California style. So I'll get to processing the ingredients. Here we have our finished product. After mixing all the ingredients together, you want a consistency that looks similar to this. I used 3 eggplant, tomato per eggplant. Also, I used a half cup of olive oil, a cup of tahini, and then a quarter cup of minced garlic. So that's what we get. After I pour in the cilantro, the tomato, it comes together very nicely. So now it's time to have a little taste. And normally what we do is we serve it as a salad, side dish with a protein. That or just an appetizer, a dip almost. We use lavage. Lavage is a flatbread. It's Mediterranean. And what I'm going to do is I already poured myself some. And what we normally do is we just put this lavage out and we just spoon it into the lavage, and that's it. And we just bite into it. I better stop. And just salt to your palate, to your taste. So I mix and I put salt in the beginning and I put salt at the end. And this is what we have. Very good, delicious Baba Ghanoush California style. Simple Sundays cooking with Zion. Stop chefing around. And by the way, I wanted to thank our guest cooks last week, Roger and his son Hugo. Usually Hugo is very shy, very introverted, so it was a really big deal for him to be part of the process. His papa was very proud, as because he normally doesn't come out like that, Hugo, but he felt very comfortable. So his pop was very proud, and along with me, it went very well. So I just want to tell them thank you. Appreciate it, Roger and Hugo, and I hope... Oh, well, you saw us eat all that food. It was delicious, the chilaquiles.